Listen up, entrepreneurs and dream chasers. This is your wake-up call. Facebook isn't just for sharing cat videos and vacation pics anymore. It's evolved into a powerful tool for businesses. It's a goldmine for your business, and I'm here to tell you why. The opportunities are endless. Imagine a world where you can connect with millions of potential customers instantly. That's not a dream, it's reality. That's the power of Facebook. It's a platform where your business can thrive. Right now, billions of people are scrolling through their feeds, looking for businesses like yours. They're out there, waiting. They're hungry for information, entertainment, and deals. They want to engage with brands that offer value. Are you going to be there to greet them with open arms and a killer offer? You better be. This is your chance. Remember those old school commercials that interrupted your favorite TV shows? Yeah, nobody liked those. Facebook is different. It's more personal. It's about building relationships, not bombarding people with ads. So, buckle up, Buttercup. Get ready for a new approach. We're about to dive deep into the world of Facebook marketing. This is where the magic happens. Get ready to transform your business and watch your profits soar. The future is bright, and it's on Facebook. Why is Facebook marketing so powerful? Let me break it down for you. First up, it's got a massive audience. Think billions, people. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook is a goldmine for reaching potential customers. You can't find that kind of reach anywhere else. It's like having the whole world at your fingertips. Second, Facebook lets you target your dream customers with laser-like precision. You can narrow down your audience based on age, location, interests, and even behaviors. Want to reach dog lovers in Chicago who enjoy knitting? Facebook can do that. It's all about finding the right people who are most likely to engage with your brand. Third, Facebook marketing is crazy affordable. Even with a small budget, you can achieve significant results. Forget about spending a fortune on billboards and TV spots. Those traditional methods can't compete with the cost-effectiveness of Facebook ads. You can reach more people for less money on Facebook. It's a game changer for businesses of all sizes.
And guess what? Facebook comes loaded with engagement tools. These tools are designed to foster interaction and build a community around your brand. Think live videos, polls, quizzes, and groups, all designed to get people talking about your brand. These features make it easy to connect with your audience in real time. The bottom line is this: Facebook marketing can help you grow your business like never before. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can drive incredible growth. It's time to unleash your inner marketing ninja and conquer the world, one like, comment, and share at a time. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Facebook marketing today and watch your business soar.
All right, let's get down to business. Today, we're diving into the essentials of Facebook marketing. Before you start conquering the Facebook world, you need to set up shop. This means laying a solid foundation. That means creating a personal profile and a business page. Both are equally important for different reasons. Your personal profile is all about you, your interests, friends, and family. It's where you share your life moments. Think of it as your virtual living room, a place where you can be yourself and connect on a personal level. Your business page, on the other hand, is your storefront. It's the face of your business in the digital world. This is where you'll showcase your products, services, and brand personality. Having both is crucial for a balanced presence. Your personal profile helps you connect with people on a personal level. It's about building relationships and trust. Your business page gives you a professional platform to promote your brand. It's where you put your business hat on. Think of it like this: you wouldn't invite potential clients to your house party in your pajamas, would you? No way! You'd put on your best outfit and meet them at a fancy restaurant. Same goes for Facebook. Keep it professional and appealing.
Exactly. Your business page is where you put your best foot forward. It's your professional face to the world. It's your chance to make a great first impression. First impressions matter, especially in the digital space. and show your audience what you're all about. Share your story, your values, and what makes your business unique. So, make sure it's polished and ready to wow your potential customers. A well-maintained page can make all the difference.
Okay, you've got your business page up and running. Now what? Time to make it shine brighter than a disco ball. First impressions matter, people. Choose a profile picture and cover photo that scream, "This is who we are." Don't forget to fill out your About section with all the juicy details about your business.
Next up, content is king. Post engaging content that your audience will actually want to see. Think eye-catching videos, stunning images, and shareable articles. Ask questions, run polls, and get people talking. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly to stay top of mind and keep your audience engaged. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your brand.